We're currently at the 37th floor, Shopee office, guys. Yan ang buong BGC. Ito, hindi ko alam kung anong area yan. I'm with Ed right now. Hi, Ed! Hi! So today we're going to be going live on the Shopee Facebook page kasi we're going to launch Maybelline Philippines. So it's going to be available on Shopee. I know a lot of you guys have been shopping na on Shopee. Ako hindi ko maalala. Tinatanong ko ni Ed, natry mo na ba? Mamaya inatry ko kasi parang hindi ko maano sa isip ko. Pero nakarinig na ako ng madaming good feedback about shopping sa Shopee site. So, if ever you have shopped there, let me know kung anong experience nyo. And don't forget to watch the live. If ever you're watching this tomorrow pa, you can replay. Di ba mag-aano naman, i-save nila yun. So, you can watch it all over again. And I'm so happy kasi we're gonna talk about Maybelline. And Maybelline, I've loved Maybelline since matagal na. High school, grade school, ewan ko. Pero bonggang-bongga si Maybelline, like, as in classic talaga siya ng brand. So, stay tuned for that. Madami akong dala kasi later on, we're gonna go straight to the Pixie shoot. Kaya meron tayong mga makeup yan. It's Trixie! Hello. She's gonna be my co-host for today. We've known each other for years. Nakakaloka.
20-something.
Tagal na, no? Maybelline ba yung suot mong lipstick?
Yes.
Ang ganda.
Diba?
Love it. Here, ang cute na setup.
Sabihin nila sa akin if may mga comment, mga... Now here at co-working space in BGC, so we have a shoot with Pixie or Glamour Box. Wala pa si Wifey. We're gonna have lunch. Cobb salad. Yum! Sakto, gutom na ako. Shooting with Pixie! Hi, Leah! Hey! Ayan na yung team. Ang ganda ng mga ilaw. Ang bagal ng ilaw, no? Girl. Si Wifey na sa labas. Wifey and si Archie din. Anyway, I have to remove my makeup kasi challenge to. Si Wifey! Wifey! Hi!
Sobrang puti ng ngipin ni Archie. Oh my gosh.
Meron siyang YouTube video about it. Follow him, Archie Oberio.
Lagay ko yung link. Ano, Archie what?
Archie Oberio.
Oh my gosh, kung paano yung ginagawa yan.
Pakita mo yung ngipin niya ulit, dali. Compare mo yung ngipin natin.
Every time yung ginagawa yan.
Hindi. Mga twice a week.
Tapos ganyan na agad.
Oh
my gosh, ang bongga. Anyway, taking a short break. Short break?
Ha?
Short break. Short break.
Short break.
Finally done! Wifey done! Thank you to the Pixie Beauty team. Yes! Thank you! You're awesome! Yay! So I just got my nails done sa beauty bar. Tawag dito, Lash and Diva. So manicure, pedicure. And then now I'm here at PWG. I'm gonna have dinner over here. Pinag-clean ko lang yung nails ko. Ako na maglagay ng polish. Super dami nilang tea. That's so awesome. So ito yung tinatry ko right now. Ay sabi ko kasi if they have like something gingery. Here is the cream of carrot soup. And then ito yung spiced route pidao. Ayan, spiced route. And then we have bread. Then I ordered tenderloin for the main. Finally home! Grabe yung pawis ko. Sobrang init. Grabe yung init niya. Napansin niyo ba? Grabe. Anyway, gusto ko magpalagay ng aircon dyan sa may sala kasi nga hindi umaabot. Pag ino-open ko yung dalawang rooms, hindi naman kaya lumabas ng lamig. So, baklas yung init. Papasok ko yung work table ko kasi sobrang init. Girl, hahaloka. Sa loob tayo magwo-work. Yay! That's it for the vlog today. I think this is the only time, for the longest time, that I'm ending the vlog properly. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Ang daming packages dumating, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look at this. Super duper sweet talaga ni Risa. Oh my gosh. She's the nicest. Thank you so much, Risa. It included a note. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Brunch for today is from Salad Stop. Super duper sarap ng Cobb salad nila. I tasted this kahapon sa shoot. Now I ordered it kasi ang sarap. Food Panda. I'm rewatching Riverdale kasi hindi ko siya napanood ng maayos last time.
He might be the Black Hood.
Here at the Manila Co event, guys. So, meron silang binigay na some kit. I'll be opening it sa bahay na. Eventually, na so we know how it's gonna be. So, anyway. Oh, yung song, Likey. Yung sinayaw namin nung nasa Korea kami. That's so cute. Anyway, hindi ako masyadong makarelate sa mga ibang K-drama stuff kasi hindi pa ako masyado nanood. Back in BGC, I'm having dinner with Marge! First dinner. First date? Oh my God! Bag niya yan.
It's a bag.
Saan mo binili?
Gift lang ng sister ko.
Sobrang cute! May paa pa! Pakita mo yung paa? Oh my God!
At crispy palabok. And my favorite sinigang. And my date cake.
Hi! Done having tea here at TWG. Super duper nice ng tea dito. And I really feel na if I end my day dito, parang ang peaceful. I just read my book and then go home. Hindi ko na lang yung grab. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Let's get to it. This is my outfit for today. So we're gonna go muna sa Lazada kasi biglaan meron tayong live Facebook page. Live session sa Lazada Facebook page. So that's gonna be 12 noon and then rush tayo papuntang World Trade Center kasi 2:45 yung segment ko with the YouTube Fan Fest festivals. We're here at the Lazada office, si Ed ulit, and Ria. Hi, Ria! And we're gonna be starting in a few. Coffee muna. We're here. Ito na yung studio. Dito kami nag-film before ni Wifey. So I'm just gonna put down my vlogging cam. And then if you wanna watch the live session again, I'll have the link in the information box. Hi, Ed! Nag-hi ka na pala kanina, you know? Rush na ngayon to YouTube Fan Fest. Backstage with Rai! I know! Rai and Nate, ganda ng host. Hello! We're gonna start in a bit. Si Lloyd, nandito na si Lloyd. Congrats! 1 million! Oh my gosh, thank you! Ito na yung stage. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Lakas ng pasado.
She is not only a beauty guru, but she's also a baby blogger who shares her life. Now joining me on the festival stage, let's give it up for Sing Diabo!
Are you doing YouTube na rin? Are you vlogging na rin? She has to. Ang ganda niya.
Personality.
Yeah.
Tsaka maganda, di ba?
Jaco! May nawala sa'yo?
Ha?
Nag-shave ka ba or...
Nag-shave ako.
Wait, lalo kang pumayat.
Yun din.
Lalo kang pumayat. Bongga.
Ano lang, ayun.
Ang laki talaga na pinayat ni Jaco. Intermittent fasting daw. Grabe, ilang months yan, Jaco?
1 year lang. 1 year.
Grabe. So, hindi ka kumakain ngayon?
Hindi, pwede ako kumain.
Mabilis makalitan dyan.
Sa'yo ko narinig yun.
Yung ano ka lang,
And
anytime.
Yeah.
Mga 12 hours. Ako naman, ang no rice po yun, ang bilis makalitan dyan.
No rice? Oo, talaga no rice. Tsaka sugar?
Oo, no sugar and no rice pa.
Yeah.
Black Tommy.
Grabe.
Oh my gosh, Bogart. Intermittent fasting, oh my God. 80 pounds?
80
For
pounds.
ilang
80 pounds. Wow.
180 na siya.
It's Jam!
Hey!
And Jam! And Bolt! See? Last kami nakita sa
Chroma.
Roma. Oh my gosh.
Sa Chroma.
Ay, ako.
She's gonna dance!
Oo,
Nice
sige
to see you. Oh, wait, look at her outfit. Patingin! Ay, bongga.
Bongga,
Bongga.
thank you.
Yay! Good
Namiss kita.
So my segment is done sa YouTube Fan Fest Festival. So I'm heading home muna ngayon to have dinner with Liz and Phoebe, and then we're gonna go back here for the after party.
Magpapalit lang din ako ng damit. Kasi naka-skirt ako ngayon. Although I like it, pero parang mas gusto ko something more comfortable for later. We took pictures pala. Kasi lumabas ako dun sa may hindi lang ako naka-vlog. But please do tag me on our photos. Gusto ko i-retweet lahat. And then I also want to include it in the vlog today. So thank you guys! Super quick lang no segment. And to everyone who won the makeup and skincare products, congratulations!
I just want to drink.
Ay! Ayaw niya ng camera. Ooh, Liz prepared dinner for us. Hi, Liz!
Hi!
Phoebe!
Hi!
Liz!
Kamusta?
Yum!
Ayan, let's drink.
Ito si Snaps! Hi, Snaps! You're so cute! Si Snaps! We're backstage. Creator Lounge with everyone.
Wala
Raisa,
na akong watery.
Tina. What's his name again? Sorry.
Pao.
Pao. This is
Vince.
Vince! Ayan. Sila Will nandun pa. Mamaya mag-hi tayo. And then Alodia. May binigay si YouTube. We have this one. Safety ako. And then inopen kanina. Meron siyang wifi sa loob. Bongga. Thank you so much, Globe. And then ito yung bigay ng Vivo. ASAP levels ang performance ni Michelle D, of course. Oh my God.
Ako, charot lang.
Ronan's here.
Yay! I miss you, Stay.
I miss you too. Oh my
parang
gosh.
may kulang ngayon dito sa vlog.
May?
Yeah, may kulang ngayon dito sa vlog.
Ano? Patay.
Inuman.
Oh,
ba?
no!
Lahat ng mga vlogs na magkasama kami, inuman.
At lagi akong oo. Naku, lagi kong sa bukol. Pagkasama si Ronan, my gosh. Patay, magkasama na
I miss you.
I miss you.
Hello! It's been so long. I know, we haven't seen each other in so long. I mean, I feel like so much has happened in our lives, but we haven't talked about it.
She's selling the shirts, guys.
Are you degapping today? Are you selling online? Not yet, but I will have merch online soon. Lots of ventures coming. From me and my boyfriend, actually.
It's Justin!
Hello!
It's Adrian!
We chillin'! Hello! Hello again! What's up? What's up? What's up?
It's Will!
Back again!
Cena! Veronica Lodge of YouTube. We're started! Hello! My fellow panty girls. It's Tita Chari! She danced earlier. Oh my gosh, Tita. I missed her. 1 million! Yes, girl! Oh my god! And a party! Mother's Day dinner. I'm here with my mom and Liza. Hi! Kulang kami kasi si DT na sa Bataan, si ate sa Singapore. So we're just having dinner here sa TWG, sa Central Square, BGC. Sobrang na-addict na ako sa kanila. I'm having beef tenderloin. There. Si Mama may peppercorn chicken. Chicken peppercorn. And salmon for ito. And then may tika may cherry blossom yata. Yeah. At a super fun and exciting shoot right now, guys. So, kakatapos ko lang first look. We're gonna change for a second outfit. I'm in the vlog. Dapat ako tapos. Umuli kami sa first outfit.